Hello, I'm DMC and today we are gonna replace the cracked screen from a Lenovo Thinkpad W510. Here you can see it, cracked screen. So let's power it down. Take off the battery just to make sure no power is left. First steps, there are 3 screws here. There will be a little plastic rubber cover. Just take them off and then unscrew the 3 screws there. And then you can use a small little screwdriver or something similar. Just to pick out the side of it and pull it down. Pull out with this. Be very careful so you don't break. The plastic. Just make sure you do very careful like this. So the aside. Then down here you have more 4 screws, 1 in each side. So unscrew them. Like so. As soon as you do that, get the screen a little up. Be careful so you don't damage the cable down here. There's a little chip here on the frame. Just pull it, it's glued, so just pull it out very carefully and put it aside for now. Then very carefully put these 2 cables out of the way. Then on the side of the frame there will be 2 screws on each side. You will need a smaller screwdriver. Just take them away. Hold your screen on the last screw to make sure it won't fall down and break it. As soon as you take all these screws, just take out of the frame and lay it down on your keyboard. And then the connections are here, so just be very careful taking the connection away. On this particular model, the glue is quite strong. There we go. Take your screen away. Old screen. New screen. Now turn your screen around. If there's no protective plastic, put a towel over the screen there. Make the connection again. Make sure it's very tight. After connected, take away your plastic cover. And be careful so you don't touch the screen. Put back on the frame. And screw the sides. 4 side screws. After you screw one, you can just turn on and see if the screen is working. If it works, hold power button, turn it off. Continue screwing the rest